This computer. Hi, everybody. Super excited to have you all here. This is the workshop on overcoming mental and emotional blocks that get in the way, or that voice dysphoria puts in the way of finding your ideal sound. So I'm Nicole Gress. I'm a speech pathologist and a trans voice coach. And I think my general tagline is I help trans, non-binary, and gender questioning folks find a voice that aligns with their identity. I brought Katie in because voice dysphoria is something that a lot of the individuals I work with come up against, and it's out of my scope of practice. And so it's definitely something I wanted to provide a resource for the individuals that I'm working with to have to look towards when they're experiencing those difficulties. And I figured, why not open it up to the whole community? So there's a lot of people, almost 400 people RSVP'd. I don't know that we'll get that many in here, but if you're watching this, you're either live or at the replay. My pronouns are she, her, hers, and I'm going to pin Katie and let her introduce herself.
Okay, amazing. Well, hi, folks. It's really, really good to meet you. Yes, I'm Katie Crooks. I'm a voice coach. I've been a voice coach for 20 years, and I'm a hypnotherapist and the founder of Hypno Voice Coach. And the reason I got into hypnotherapy was because I started to realize that people's mental and emotional blocks were getting in their way, so they couldn't do the technique that they needed to do to get their voice to where they wanted to be.